Hello everyone, welcome to the daily morning podcast. Now let's see how the market have done in the yesterday's trade. Sensex has lost 0.25% settling at 82,352. Nifty has closed marginally lower at 0.32% settling at 25,198. Nifty Midcap 100 has closed at 0.13% negative while Small Cap 100 has closed at 0.02% negative. Now let's look at the gainers and losers of Nifty 50. The gainers are Asian Paint, HUL, Ultratech Cement, Sun Pharma, BPCL, Reliance and HDFC Bank. While the losers are Wipro, Coal India, LTI Mindtree, M&M, Infosys, Doctors Reddy and L&T. Now let's look at the sector-wise performance. BSE Healthcare was the highest gainer at 0.94%, followed by BSE Realty at 0.60% positive, BSE FMCG at 0.40% positive. BSE Metal was the highest loser at 1.11% negative, followed by BSE IT at 0.91% negative and BSE Telecommunication at 0.82% negative. Now let's look at the market breadth. 1845 stocks have advanced while 2117 stocks have declined. Now let's look at the 52-week high and low. 155 stocks have scaled 52-week high like Bajaj Finserv, Bikaji, DCW, Jindal Saw, Kalyan Jewellers and PCBL, while 27 stocks are trading at 52-week low. Now let's look at the FIDI data. FII were the net buyers to the tune of 975 crores, while DII were also the net buyers to the tune of 97 crores. Now let's look at the global cues. The global cues looks mixed with positive start likely. The US overnight ended largely in red as job opening data came at 7.7 million in July, which is lower than the expectation of 7.9 million in June, which is the lowest since January 21st. The Asia is currently trading in green, hence we expect a positive start for our market today. Now let's look at the stock-wise development. Raymond. Shares of Gautam Singhania, consumer lifestyle business, Raymond Lifestyle, to list on stock exchange today. This remains positive for the company. PNB Housing Finance, the company will consider raising 2500 crore through NCD. This remains positive for the company. Sona BLW Precision Forging, the company has set the floor price of 699 per share for QIP to raise 2400 crores. The QIP is at a discount of 3% from the current market price. This remains positive for the company. Linde India, the company is in pact to buy Tata Steel industrial gas asset at Kalinganagar Phase 2 expansion project. This remains positive for the company. Canara Bank, the company will issue 5-year $300 million medium-term notes through IFSC banking unit. The bonds are to be issued at a coupon rate of 4.896%. This remains positive for the company. Suzlon, the company execute conveyance deal with OE Business Park for the sale of office space for 440 crore. The company will lease Wanrath property back for 5 years. This remains positive for the company. General Insurance Corp. The Government of India will exercise the oversubscription offer in the current offer for sale, which include an additional 50.49 lakh equity share. The overall offer size will increase to 4.45 shares or 3.68% stake. This remains positive for the company. Century Textile. The arm will buy Hindalco land in Kalwa, Thane. The company will give 400 crore corporate guarantee for the land to Hindalco. This remains positive for the company. Indostar Capital. The company has announced a public issue of NCD with a face value of 1000 each, aggregating to 300 crores. The issue is scheduled to open on 6th of September and close on 9th. This remains positive for the company. Allied Blenders and Distillers. Invest 70 crores, 80 is to 20 JV. The board approves the acquisition of the majority stake in the target entity to be formed in collaboration with film star Ranveer Singh, represented by O50 Talent Liability Partnership. The company will undertake manufacturing, distributing, licensing and marketing of various types of luxury and premium spirit comprising owned and third-party products. The company will appoint Anil Somani as CFO and key managerial personnel effective September 5. This remains positive for the company. TARC, the company will get a registration certificate from the Haryana Real Estate Regulatory Authority for TARC Ishwa, a luxury group housing development in Gurgaon. This remained positive for the company. Satin Credit, the company completed its first PTC transaction worth rupees 119 crore with HSBC India. This remained positive for the company. Kens Technology India, the company clarified that it has received no formal letter from the government to build semiconductor unit. This remained neutral for the company. Kalpatru Project International, the board has approved the conversion of the outstanding loan granted to Kalpatru Power do Brasil Participio, a Brazil-based wholly owned subsidiary of the company, into equity shares of KPBPSA. This remained positive for the company. Godrej Properties, the company has approved the issuance of 6,460 unsecured redeemable rated listed NCD with a face value of 1 lakh, aggregating to 64 crore. This remained positive for the company. Ganesha Ecosphere, the company approves incorporation of a JV with the Race Eco Chain to set up washing plant. This remained positive for the company. Apollo Hospital, Apollo Health Co., an unlisted material wholly owned subsidiary of the company, incorporated and a wholly owned subsidiary named Apollo 2417 Insurance Service on September 3. This remained positive for the company. Borosil Renewables, the company will acquire 49% stake in CleanMax Prithvi Private Limited from CleanMax Enviro Energy Solution Private Limited. The acquisition is to be completed in 2 months. This remained positive for the company. Interact Building Products, the meeting of the board of directors is scheduled on September 12. The board will consider and approve the financial result of the company for the quarter June. This remains neutral for the company. Listings, Raymond Lifestyle, share of Gautam Singhania, consumer lifestyle business. Raymond Lifestyle is to be listed on the stock exchange today. The share price of Raymond Lifestyle would be priced between 3,100 to 7,800 per share depending on how the street values the business. Now let's look at the block deals. Shanti Educational Initiative, Albula Investment Fund bought 47.2 lakh shares, and while LTS Investment sold 47.2 lakh shares at 122.85 per share. Trend, Siddharth Yog bought 1.21 lakh shares, while Dodona Holdings sold 1.21 lakh shares at 6,966 per share. Now let's look at the bulk deals. Mastech, Patronus Trade Tech bought 5.06 lakh shares, while ICICI Prudential bought 5 lakh shares. Ghisalo Master Fund bought 2.27 lakh shares. On the other hand, Euro-Pacific Growth Fund sold 17.19 lakh shares at 2,766 per share. And Patronus Trade Tech sold 217 shares at 2,845 per share. EPC, MIV Investment Service bought 3.7 lakh shares, while AGS Investment sold 3 lakh shares at 474 per share. Thangamile Jewelry, Custody Japan, Mundi India Small Cap Equity Mother Fund bought 6.81 lakh shares, and F3 Advisor Private Limited bought 2.22 lakh shares at 2,121 per share. Balusamy Ramesh sold 4.33 lakh shares. Narayana Baluswamy sold 4.3 lakh shares at 2,091 per share. Morpen Laboratories, Riti Private Limited bought 82.89 lakh shares, and Graviton Research Capital bought 47.32 lakh shares at 88.16 rupees per share. Rama Steel Tubes, Riti Private Limited bought 421 lakh shares, and Graviton Research Capital bought 75 lakh shares at 11.4 per share. Camlin Fine Science, Infinity Portfolio Holding bought 13.38 lakh shares, while Infinity Direct Holdings sold 13.38 lakh shares at 102.89 per share. DWC, Baron Emerging Fund bought 15.39 lakh shares at 88.6 per share. Hinduja Global Solution, Aviator Global Investment Fund sold 3 lakh shares at 887 per share. Ratan India Enterprise, the Great International Tusker Fund sold 82 lakh shares at 81.52 per share. Now let's look at the insider trades. Usha Martin promoter Stuti Raghav Agarwal bought 28,000 shares on September 2. Suryodaya Small Finance Bank promoter Savita Surendra Pai sold 68,000 shares between September 2 and 3. Goldiam International promoter Rashesh Manhar Bansal sold 10 lakh shares between September 3 and 4. Pidilite Industries promoter Sri Haris Himmat Lal Parekh sold 50,000 shares and promoter Sri Haris Himmat Lal Parekh sold 1 lakh shares on September 2 and 3 respectively. Roto Pumps promoter Rajita Gupta sold 1 lakh shares and promoter Rolly Gupta sold 1 lakh shares on September 2. Now let's look at the trading trade. Today is the ex-record date dividend for Chaman Lal Setia Exports, Suntec Realty and Mrs. Vectors, and buyback for Aarti Drugs, split for Sapphire Food and right issue for Oriental Trimex. That's it for today. Thank you for listening.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.